Have you ever had issues helping your customers navigate large indoor spaces like malls, airports, universities, or others? What if there was a way to give better intelligence to customers, employees, and others with the help of AI, AR, and spatial computing? Welcome to One Amazing Thing about MetaDigi Labs. Today we're talking with Suhas Melampati, co-founder at MetaDigi Labs, and he's going to be sharing one amazing thing about their NavMe platform with us today. Suhas, welcome to the show.
Hey, Greg. Thanks for having me. Pleasure to discuss about our product here.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking forward to taking a look at it in a second here. Before we do that, why don't you give a little background on you and your role at MetaDigi Labs?
Yeah. Hey, everyone. My name is Suhas Balampati. I'm a co-founder of MetaDigi Labs. So we are in a mission to make indoor large spaces interactable, intelligent, and measurable. And that's what we are doing.
Great, great. So we're gonna take a look at the NavMe product in a second here, but before we do, why don't you give us a little background and tell us what is it, who's the audience, and what does it
Mm.
help them do?
Right. So the audience is like, anyone, like, let's take an example of a mall. You're
Right,
going into a mall, and if you're new to the town, you don't have muscle memory of the mall. Even if you're in town years, you don't know things frequently changing
right,
around the mall. And the signs are static. And even if you have maps, it's 2D and it's at one kiosk or something, and websites are static. So what we are doing is, without any app download, just a QR based or a location based, you can invoke and doing a step by step navigation to your favorite spot like stores, things like that. And this is also in airports, universities, you name it, any large spaces, conferences, especially you get lost in conferences to find the booths, keynotes, shows, those kind of stuff. Yep.
yeah. I could definitely use that at conferences. I'll
Yeah.
tell you, I go to enough of them, and
Yeah.
they're mazes. So that sounds great. Well, yeah. Let's. Why don't we take a look? Why don't you share your screen and talk us through it?
Yep, sure. So it's like an instant access. You need not download any app or something, and it's sub-meter accuracy and real-time AR navigation, and no app, no hassle kind of it. So these are the large venues, office spaces, retails, airports, hospitals. These are the large indoor spaces we often try to have difficulties to navigate.
Yeah.
And I'll just show like how it works. So uh, like when you're trying to interact with a 3D world, you need to know its XYZ coordinates, like where and everything is present in the 3D world. So we kind of connect the space with this LiDAR sensors or certain file formats, which will be already there when a large construction space is happening. Usually, the construction or architecture team, they have this type of data.
Okay.
So we take that into our platform and try to put AR overlays, navigation routes, and currently we are working on AI agents. Like small example, like AI agent is like if you have a spillover and there is a board saying, "Hey, don't walk through,"
Okay.
but navigation is already set, but your camera reads that and redirects it based on the location. And this is pretty much you can deploy it URL based, and you will have analytics behind it, like user behavior and engagement analytics, heat maps, and AI recommendations. So now quickly dive into the portal. So this is a map of a university building. So you just scan it, and you get the options, you select it, and you get it. So right.
Nice.
So yep, this is pretty much about the product.
Okay.
And if you, I mean, want to, yeah, yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, sure, sure. Yeah, no, it's great to see, and like I said, I definitely could use this in my life many times. So I guess what does this look like from, let's say the university wants to enable this, how
Mhm.
much control do they have over it, and what are they able to do?
Right. So today, right, we are in Charlotte area. We are engaging with one of the university here. So first
Mm.
thing is we are trying to solve lowest hanging fruit, the facility management wise. The facility management needs employees to train, new employees to train where the buildings are, what needs to be done in that particular building, what's the workflow. So we'll try to use those as a use case. And later on, as we scale, we roll it to the students and guests to use it. And yes, regarding to your question, data wise and stuff like that, everything they own it. It's just we will be accessing it and making enable for them.
Great, great. Well, so for those that want to learn more, they have a space that they need this for. How what's the first step that they should take?
Yeah, first step is even like if even if you have don't have any scans of your place, we have a mobile app with the BPS. So you'll have all the details around MetaDigi Labs.ai website, and that's where you can download and scan your space. And later on, based on we can discuss what you want to do with your space, or else you can load your space into our platform and start adding navigation.
That sounds great. And for those that want to learn more, where should they go first?
Yep. So yes, like again, it would be our website metadigilabs.ai, and we are very active in LinkedIn. You can search me Swas Malapati. So we'll be continuously posting. And the good thing is, in couple of hours, I'll be flying to LA for world's biggest AWR XR conference,
Yeah.
and we are doing some amazing things there. Displaying our products and try to even do some navigation in the conferences as well.
Nice, nice. Well,
Yeah.
again, I'd like to thank Suhas Malampati, co-founder at MetaDigi Labs, for joining the show. You can learn more about Suhas and MetaDigi Labs by following the links in the show notes.